Returning a broken item. Let's first learn some useful English words. Refund. This item is not eligible for a refund. Exchange. Can I just exchange it for the same item? Store credit. You can get store credit for the full amount. Hi there, how can I help you today?
Hi, I ordered this coffee maker online and it arrived broken. I'd like to return it and get a refund, please.
I'm sorry to hear it arrived broken. Do you have your receipt? Perfect, thank you. Let me pull up your order.
Yes, right here.
Okay, I see the order here. So this coffee maker was purchased during our clearance sale, which means it's not eligible for a refund. But I can offer you two options. You can either get store credit for the full amount, that's $79.99, or you can exchange it for the same coffee maker or something of equal or lesser value.
Oh, I didn't realize it was final sale. What's the difference between store credit and an exchange?
Store credit means we give you $79.99 to spend on anything in the store whenever you want. An exchange means you pick a replacement item right now, either the same coffee maker or a different one that costs $79.99 or less.
Got it. Can I just exchange it for the same coffee maker? I actually really like the model.
Absolutely, that's the easiest option. Let me check if we have another one in stock. Good news, we have 3 more of this model in stock. If you don't mind waiting for a few minutes, I'll have one brought up here for you.
Perfect. Thank you.
No problem. Here we go. Brand new, same model. Would you like to check it before I finalize the exchange?
Can I open the box?
Of course! I'd actually recommend it, just to make sure everything looks good this time.
This one looks perfect.
So I'm exchanging the broken coffee maker for a new one, same model, no charge. And would you like a paper receipt or should I email it to you?
I'll take the paper copy, please.
No problem. Here's your receipt.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Sorry again about the broken one. Hopefully this one works perfectly.
I'm sure it will. Thanks again.
Have a great day. Must-know phrases. What is your return policy? What is your return policy? I'd like to return this and get a refund. I'd like to return this and get a refund. Can I just exchange it for the same item? Can I just exchange it for the same item?